This is a solution video for the Gearo puzzle. Before solving the puzzle, let's first scramble it, which you just do by rattling pieces up and down, like with the green one up and down, with the red one up and down, and maybe even also the blue one. So now the puzzle is thoroughly scrambled. Let's start solving. The first step is getting the blue piece at its right position, and now turn the green one to its right position. So these steps are easy. And now the critical step is counting. Between the 12 and the 15 gear there should be 3 teeth difference. However, now it's only 1 and 2. So they're not right in the correct state. So I'm turning the green one. Oops, that was in the wrong direction. Yeah. I'm turning the green one full turn. And let's count how many we're off now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still not a multiple of 3. So here we are again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're off by a multiple of 3, which means now I can start turning the red gear. And presto, the Gearo puzzle is solved. Thank you for watching.